All right, 3-4 day 2 again goes on to a little bit more with the experiments we've created. So we've talked about the treatments, we've talked about factors and levels. We've also talked about block design. And today we're going to get into what's called matched pair design. So what is a matched pair design experiment? A matched pair design is a special block design that compares just two treatments. The units subjects are assigned randomly to the treatments. So essentially we have a single subject, right? Could be a person, could be a plant or something. And what we do then is we randomly assign them to treatment 1 and treatment 2. And down here I'm just going to put, we randomly assign which treatment is first. So randomly assign which treatment goes first. And then we observe the results. So for example, if Mr. Genevico is going to put pop machines into schools for the first time at the request of the students, he likes Coke products, but he likes Coke products the most, but a number of students have told him that Pepsi products are better. To end this debate, he randomly selects a group of 40 students and uses them in a taste test experiment to see which type of pop people really like the most. So each subject is blindfolded and are randomly given drinks and compares the two colas, choosing the one they like best. Okay, so we said that he is going to randomly choose 40 students. So we start with 40 students. And I'm going to put over here that each randomly chosen. Okay, it's randomly picking 40 students. All right. Then we give them the two treatments, treatment 1 and treatment 2. Treatment 1 would be, let's say, the Coke products. And treatment 2 would be Pepsi products. All right, and I'm just going to put a little arrow. These are randomly assigned which goes first. So some of you might drink the Coke first, and some might have Pepsi second. Others might drink Pepsi and then drink Coke. It's all going to be random. And then over here, at the end, we are going to observe the results. So we're going to observe which one comes out as the favored pick for soda. So this is where the same person receives both treatments. It's not like some of the students drink the Coke, some drink the Pepsi. In this one, everyone drinks Coke and then they drink Pepsi, or they could drink Pepsi and then Coke, but they're both drinking two different types of soda. Here's another method of doing the same experiment by randomly assigning the subject into two different blocks, with each block having a different treatment first. So 40 students who were randomly chosen. To do a block design, we put them in group 1 and group 2. And if there's 40 students, how many students are in each group? 20. So block design puts them in different groups or blocks. And again, this is randomly assigned. Okay, The first group will drink Coke, then Pepsi. The second group will drink Pepsi, then Coke. Okay, and then at the end, we will make conclusions. All right, so there's match pair design and then there's block design. Both of them would work to see if Coke or Pepsi is a better choice.